In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add contacts on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and the first step, open up Phone app and then go to Contacts. After that, on that screen you will be able to create new contact simply by tapping at that plus sign at the top right corner. Then first off you need to enter name, last name and maybe a company for that contact. Also we can add a photo. Let me choose one from my camera roll. I can just select it in that way. And after that we can also apply some filter to that photo and hit add done and then done again. On that step also we need to add the main part of this contact. It's actually phone number. To do that, just hit add that plus sign and then just enter this contact's phone number and then don't forget to hit add done. And that's how you can easily add contacts on your iPhone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video and see you in the next one.